everybody, it's back, and I got a scarf on. And we are going to be doing Seagulls today with my big speaker that is right now rainbow. And it came with a microphone, and I got it for Christmas. So let's start. Rockin' now, rollin'. Down to the beach, I'm strolling. The seagulls poking my head, not fun. The seagulls, stop it now. Everyone told me that let's stroll on the beach. Said seagulls don't come and poking up. Nothing I can do but yet when these birds attack me. When I try to run, I fell, and these fish are laughing. And then, hacking knife for the hacky sack. Where'd it come from? Jump! Let me get back. Hold your breath and see if time's right. Birds will pack your knees. I can be a backpack while you swing from my hairy line. I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift. Rocks with your special gift. Run, jump, and breathe. Let's do it. Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log. Rolled along over, and underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, oh, that's hot. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder. While lightning swinging, come help me breathe with the seagulls. Poke your knees. That was Seagulls by Bad Lip Reading. If you want to go check out it, you can go on Bad Lip Reading, and you can check out my stick, which I did in a previous video, and some other ones. And goodbye!